Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
I just want to appeal.
Okay, appeal.
Me appeal to Aban. Me appeal to say a PDS and ECG. Assembly year from 2014. ECG a mistake be. Na ababa ye adeswa kakraka e de ama consumers and I say ECG from clients e wo me constituency ho no. De ko si ni say wo mu be ye extension of electricity e de ko baby bia bebre na wo mu the meters e be bobo ho na de ko si ni say meters ni bi wo ho no ma close to 2 years na ye be ready that na 2017 no preko e na omu de lamp bill ni nyina de bre ye nkrofo no na kwame obi ani wo no mo a wo de saade ne be na ne beji bill ne ba ye ne esusu eni susu papa wo be ko efie bi wo mu a just one bob no mu use bill a be 5,000 ya de and Kumbo for no so no one ase. In fact, there are a lot of discussions also. And then maybe I may MOUs near the IS sign anyone got transi. Ama womu jitu mu say womu no mu yen kunzo. Na ye pepe kwaya ye betumi solve problem no. Na say ye ko da sorry ya. PDS for abem na de womu ya ni say womu ko fa police for ni ade. Te said ya krom wo no wo me criminals te said ya wo top power wo mu pese wo mutua say no de wo mu vedi homes disconnected every mo ko wo fa bill no mre wo mu da but they have disconnected them oye mistake wo mebo the last time no wo mu da sum for 3 days every mo ya demonstration wo mu so police for be gu wo so shutu bi no prepare wo mu bebre me say come on for no we are law abiding the AC no enya force enya gidigidi na be solve problem no because we will not cease to be clients of the PDS and I say ECG power no ye be use we will also pay for it and power no produce no use you cannot be in business and you know I am appealing to PDS and wo managers no say the cost no woman ten blind eye to the situation and woman ja ade na ma a creative problem e wo no and no say enye small thing e dane to kwa kese pa a woman tise police ni ba kokra no omo to abo e den e ko bo no me say na ye fi ase no they need to calm down disconnection no that is not what will solve the problem. Let's make sure that the people understand the situation and they themselves also know what dia to I time honorable Jakoye minister no we invited him to parliament through a question and he accepted the fact that the problem was that ECG for no omuntimi mpiki data no intend into their system and into the way of billing system no one say people no consume 6 months now upikini nyina now subjecting to the way our mama be now it will be high. So the gonna say, and you know, let's sit down. Meanwhile, if you come and put the meter there, you don't come and read it now. Is it the fault of the consumer? No. But the fact is that we must all be responsible. And you know, force now it is not helping anybody. It is creating tension. And MY, it is I am happy to announce it. And no, I mean PURC for Ekasai. They are prepared to come in. Me the information here kwa I'm appealing to my friend district manager he didn't pick my call. I called the police. In fact woman said that CC name say said mood mo woman me cry no go in there ko baby gidigidi no me call no cry me so because I can be a target. Let's calm down. We police in we are not at war with anybody. Tempest must come down. ECG and PDS for you want your money, but you have to use the right way to demand from the people.
As
we
the MP,
are not saying say yeah bills. What we are saying is that the bills that we buy, they are treacherous. Let's sit down and have a discussion. Let's renegotiate it, because there are some understanding 2017. I don't know why they don't want to implement that one.
Mr. MP, as the representative of your people also,
yes.
Remember if you took it to
yeah.
Okasa ama onko for that issue about in some discussion
That's right.
with PDS.
Yeah.
Message say usubema constituents.
That's right.
Catch on say basa yone attacking of and wo efforts are way.
That's right.
Because PDS force no kakra minim no, they are willing to sit and talk.
Definitely.
But Esane attacks on their property, vandalizing their property, threats on the lives of their staff. Ama that is also from their end. Anytime you come to you,
okay.
Into whatever it is, metu for sebi, menyamina mecho wejuma.
Of course.
But metu for sebi say, yeah, balanced mediation kakra.
That's right.
Now on Crawford say they need the service. Now PDS also say they need the people to patronize the service.
That's right.
There should be a certain middle ground. Because PDS for Nakasano Sonum, much as they want to give you the service, Omusu di yaubi say if it's no entiasia nyeduma ama sebe ntawantawa ba muntem. Inti because you brought it up.
Yeah.
Over to you.
Yes. Well,
in fact, I'm sure he wouldn't mind if I mention his name. Van Sazu, or a journalist or graphic.
That's right.
Van Sazu tried to find answers to these questions. In Shemubi.
Yeah.
In this discussion, we are about Pepe.
Yeah. Kwame, Mejitum said initially there was a problem.
Yeah.
Now there was a roadmap. There was a discussion. I would tender those MOUs near because you see the fact still remains there. ECG for only the meter the ball.
Let me understand something. You were talking say in the course of the disconnection, that is where the police are involved.
Yes, that's right.
I mean, so what the man say it's illegal. I mean, they being able to. Or in as much as we want this country to develop, in as much as we want every Ghanaian citizen to have access to electricity, yes, I'm going to afford it.
Yeah.
Kwame, not that I'm not a minister, tell me the sort here. May carry me a little. One day, come ask me, could be any ye, why is a free pool or so? Ever me finish a year before.
Wow.
Yes. Okay, I'm a friend.
Yeah.
That's why the car. From saying go to here. Because easy for no, they failed to come and check read the meters. Now PDS.
That is where the problem was from ECG.
Sometimes don't you want more bill? One time at one point be over 6 months. No one more better me cabe 4,000. Since that's council from me, one better tell me. Come and tell me almost that base must have do omoka. Come and messy power. And you see, sometimes come. Some more mojuma, say bill pass. If we say postpaid. A prepaid.
Prepaid
way. What I say, that's how can I be traveling? Say them in Tomusua, Menso.
Yeah.
What I say, yes, I'm just prepaid there, Benina, because it's a way. So if you can afford it, you can have it.
Yeah.
But when I say, baby, so called discotheque, not police for the police, I'm not what you want to know. Well, what you call it, they disconnect your source.
Yeah.
Oh, they don't even come to
bedroom. No, they are not.
Disconnect your source.
But see, the mechanism, it has become a habit to be a war home. As I speak to you, I'm on for be journey if you come home.
Of course.
Because one, if you no, me come home, I don't know. The police, obey car, police, banks, the car. I mean, one more
It's wrong.
It is very, very wrong. You are siding with your people, but the fact is that the fact that I owe,
why are you siding with your people?
The fact that I owe doesn't mean that you must bring police to my house.
Yes.
A simple arrangement.
I won't get that politics.
And the only and yet proper. And Mr. But I'm happy to announce it. PURC for I'm taking up the case. Me fiano me call to continue with the discussion. We bring them on board. And I just want to assure PDS was we are not saying we will not pay bills. What we are saying is there was initial problem. Let's sit down and solve the problem, and then we'll find
And
a
I'm
middle
sure,
ground.
I'm sure, sir, as a member of parliament for that area, lead the crusade.
Yes.
To engage the PDA. Why don't they say omoye difficult, sir?
No, they're not.
I know to know be Antosika way.
Yeah.
Way.
Yeah.
If you talk about some power, or at the same time go for some tracker.
But what I'm saying is that there have been that engagement.
What's starting?
Oh, I want that.
Okay.
And engagement has been there. The recent, the turnaround here, the fact say, we say, because among for NTIA bill, they will discuss. I mean, I don't know, Bibi Basa.
Anything you have been, yes.